Welcome to today's episode on our YouTube channel. This is Cakes by Lionic. Today's learning is how to bake a cake without butter and milk. The ingredients you'll be needing are 1 cup of flour, 1 cup of sugar, 5 eggs, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Here is the procedure to baking our cake without butter and milk. First of all, separate your egg yolk from the egg whites, as you can see as I'm doing in this video. Make sure you do that carefully, that your egg yolk do not go with the egg white. Whisk your egg whites until fluffy. And as you can see, as I'm turning it downward, it cannot come out from the bowl again. That means the egg white is properly mixed. To your egg yolk, add 1 cup of sugar. One teaspoon vanilla flavor. You can add as much as possible for that flavor. Then whisk until fluffy and creamy. Make sure this is very fluffy. Mix very well until creamy. To the whisked egg white, pour the mixture of egg yolk, sugar and flavor. Then whisk until fluffy. Then add the dry ingredients. Make sure you sieve everything before adding your flour, baking powder, preservative and your spoon of salt. Then add the dry ingredients. Make sure you sieve everything before you pour into the liquid mixture, because I have sieved everything before pouring into this. Add gradually and mix properly. To your cake pan, grease with butter and add little flour, or put parchment paper on your greased pan. Pour your batter into it. Then make sure you preheat your oven before you put your cake batter into your oven. Put your cake batter into the oven and bake for about 25 minutes to 30 minutes. After 25 minutes, bring out your cake. Check with a toothpick. If it comes out clean, that means the cake is baked properly. But if the toothpick didn't come out clean, put your cake back into the oven and allow to bake for like 5 to 10 more minutes. Here our cake is ready because our toothpick comes out clean. See how fluffy and yummy it looks, and I bet it with you it's very delicious and mouth-watering. You will love to try it again. This is Cakes by Unique, where you bake with love and sprinkle of magic. To get more of this video, kindly subscribe to my channel, comment, like and share this video to your loved ones. I bet it with you, they will thank you for it. This is Cakes by Unique, where you bake with love and sprinkle of magic.